went viral within Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Styling Tips by Poulomi and मैं हूँ Poulomi. So आज का वीडियो के लिए I am very excited because this video is very close to my heart. हम recently TikTok पे एक वीडियो डाले थे that went viral like crazy. 2 to 3 days में ही I got around 60k likes and हम कितना ज़्यादा खुश थे because I took a break from TikTok like 2 months बाद हम post किए थे. And that was my second video after 2 months and it went viral and I was so happy. तो वीडियो था कि how we can click our pictures with of a newspaper that is best out of waste. And आप लोगों ने बहुत पसंद किया वीडियो को and बहुत रिक्वेस्ट किया कि हम इसका एक ट्यूटोरियल अपलोड करें कि वो सब फोटोज मैंने कैसे एडिट किया था. So the app I'm going to use is Lightroom. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, we need to select the image which we want to edit. Now, crop it in the standard ratios for Instagram. Now, we need to go to the light option and adjust the exposure, contrast, highlights, shadow, white and the blacks. There are two screens, one showing the close-up of the image and the other showing the adjustments being done. Now once you are done with the light option, go to the color and then press onto mix. Over there you can adjust the colors according to your choice or you can do it like me. After you have adjusted the colors, press onto done. After that, adjust the temperature, tint, vibrance and the saturation. I wanted a warmer tone for the image, so I gave it a yellowish effect. In case you all don't know what is a warmer tone and a cooler tone, warmer tone is a yellowish effect that we add to the images and cool refers to the bluish tone that we add to the images. After the color, go to the effect option and add texture, clarity, days and vignette. And tada! Now you are good to It is time for picture 2. The steps up till the light option remains the same, but there is a small twist in the color option. This time, instead of going to the mix first, we will first adjust the temperature, tint, vibrance and the saturation. In the previous image, we had a warmer tone, but I will add a cool tone to this picture. I guess you all remember what cool means. Cool means making the picture a bit bluish. Now, once the adjustments are made, go to mix and only adjust the red, yellow and blue to get the desired image. After you are done, now add texture, clarity